I need the scissors. Here you go. Whoa, we got a lot of socks. What is this, Mommy?
That's dish soap. I'll use that for washing dishes.
What? I put it right here.
Okay.
What is this? What is this?
What does it look like?
A puzzle?
Yeah, that looks like a nice puzzle. Do you like it?
And what is this?
That's a superhero cape. Do you want to put it on?
Yeah.
Can you open it?
I can't open it. See? See? I can't open it. Let me try. How am I open it?
I'll help you.